cooking Christmas pasta. What are these two pastas? I'll be cooking two recipes. One is Christmas creamy pesto and Christmas carbonara. So I already have a recipe of the creamy pesto in my previous video, but I will be replacing it with the meat with ham. And that is the very reason why it is a Christmas pasta, because I will be using the Pure Foods Fiesta Ham for the meat. Tara na! Luto na tayo! The first pasta that we will be cooking is the Christmas creamy pesto. First, heat the pan. Then put some oil. Then let's start with cooking the ham in oil. Now we mix the meat with the garlic because it's burning. And then add the mushrooms. Now that it's simmering, let's add the cream. All-purpose cream. Now that it's simmering, let's add the pesto. Add about 2 tablespoons. And mix it up. What we added is the pesto, 2 tablespoons, and then now it's simmering. Let's add salt and pepper to taste. Have to stir it constantly to prevent the cream from sticking at the bottom. So when it's simmering, we can take off the heat. We have two choices. You can either keep it aside and then serve the pasta and pour it in, or you mix the pasta with it. It's your choice. And also, the pasta is cooked as usual. You boil the water with salt and oil, and then bring it to a boil. Put the noodles, stir constantly or occasionally so to keep it from sticking, and then we're done. You can drain the pasta, but please keep the pasta water for. If you want to add liquid to your sauce, it's better to add the pasta water. Now, I top the sauce in the pasta and top it with Parmesan. And also, you can season it with Maea's chili drizzling oil to give it a kick of spice. Enjoy! Time for taste testing! How does it taste, Mr. Sauce?
Yum, yum.
Yung totoo.
Sarap.
So, try it. So, that's our first Christmas pasta. The second Christmas pasta I will be uploading in the next video kasi masyado nang mahaba. So, I hope that you like it and give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell and subscribe to this channel so you will be updated on the next recipe. Okay, bye! See you in the next vlog!